guys, this is JOATD back with another video on 4 reasons that your pressure washer will not start. The pressure washer in front of you is a Troy-Bilt 3100 PSI 2.7 GPM pressure washer driven by a Honda GCV 190 motor. Like the title in this video states, this pressure washer will not start. Today, we're going to walk through different scenarios on why a pressure washer will not start. Number 1, bad gas. Number 2, defective spark plug. Number 3, a dirty carburetor. Number 4, a bent or stuck exhaust valve. The exhaust valve is right behind the exhaust cover here. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna check to see if there's gas in the unit or if the gas is bad. You would drain bad gas out, put new gas in, pull a couple times, see if it'll start. If it won't start, then the next step would be to check the spark plug itself. Now, to remove this spark plug, you're going to need a 13/16 socket, deep socket. You're going to go down here in the front, pull off this boot, and remove the spark plug. So you're going to take the 13/16 socket deep well, put it on your drive, and take the spark plug out. All right. And you're going to take you a steel brush, and you're going to clean this portion of the spark plug. So you're just going to get all the black carbon buildup off of it. All right, now that that's clean, you're going to put it back into the unit. You're going to tighten it down. Alright, so that's in there. I'm going to put the boot back on. And you're going to pull the cable a couple times to see if the actual pressure washer will start. If the pressure washer won't start still, you're going to go to the intake here on the side, push the 2 tabs down, take it off, pull the filter out. You're gonna need some either ether or carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, one of the 3. And right here in this hole, you're gonna spray a good amount in there. And while the breather box is still open, you're gonna pull the cable again. If the unit starts, that means that the carburetor is dirty and you need to remove the carburetor, clean the carburetor. If the unit still doesn't start, we're going to move on. Now that you know that you have good gas, the spark plug is good and clean, the carburetor is clean, the next thing you have to do is a compression test. You're going to need something like this right here. This tests how much compression is in the actual cylinder. So basically what you're going to do is pull off the boot,
remove the spark plug again. Remove the spark plug. This tester right here is going to screw in where the spark plug goes. So you put that in the spark plug and you just turn it in there until you get it tight. Just turn it. Alright, so now we got it in there. Now once you have this in, you're going to pull the cable and see if you get any compression. Normally, you're not going to get any compression because that means that the valve, the exhaust valve, is either stuck or bent, one of the two. So with mine, you're just going to pull. Okay, you can see with mine actually has compression, but that's because I've already fixed the problem that was wrong with mine. I'm going to show you if you don't get compression and you have a bent exhaust valve, how to fix that.
These are the 4 reasons that your pressure washer will not start. If you have a dirty carburetor or you suspect that you have a bent or stuck exhaust valves, check out my other videos. I have the fix for both of those.